Hello everyone. I am one of the faculty of SSKP CBSE English Medium School Sankeshwar. I am Leelavati Patil, your maths teacher. Hope you all are safe in your home. For this lockdown, we are making some videos on topic of mathematics for class 10th. In this subject, total 15 chapters are there. Today I will discuss about the first chapter, real numbers. Introduction about real numbers. Real numbers includes two parts, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Here rational number includes natural numbers. Natural, already you know in previous class, natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next one, whole number. Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Integer. Integer includes both positive and negative values. Next one is rational number. Rational number can be written in the form of p by q. Here p and q for some integers. Here q does not belongs to 0. Irrational numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. For example, root 2, root 3, pi, etc. This figure shows the real number includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Next, I will discuss about the theorem 1.1, Euclid's division lemma. Here Euclid is one of the scientists. Division means divided. Lemma means proven statement used for proving other statement is called a lemma. According to this lemma, you consider A as a divided and B is divisor and Q is quotient and R is remainder. For example, 9 is dividend, 4 is divisor, 4 to the 8, here 2 is quotient, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 is remainder. According to this, dividend equal to divisor 4 into quotient 2 plus remainder is 1. One formula is there, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend can be denoted by A and divisor is B and quotient is Q and remainder is R. This one can be small r. This one is the general form of Euclid's division lemma. Next, Euclid's division lemma statement. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers. Here unique integers is considered as a quotient and remainder, satisfying the formula a equal to bq plus r. Here r is greater than or equal to 0, but r is always less than b. Here a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient and r is remainder. Lemma, already you know that lemma, proven statement used for proving another statement. Next topic is Euclid's division algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but steps used for solving number. Next I will go to exercise 1.1. Use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. Here first consider which one is bigger number. Here 225 is bigger number, 225 is greater than 135. In these two number we consider as a bigger number is dividend and 135 is smaller number, that one is considered as a divisor. Next, 135 1 is 135, but 135 2 is 270. Therefore 225 is smaller as compared to 270. Therefore you consider as a 135 1 is 135. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12 minus 3 is 9. According to Euclid division lemma, a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Here a is nothing but a dividend. Here according to this one, 225 is a dividend, 135 is divisor, quotient is 1 plus remainder is 90. Next, here remainder is not 0. Again you consider divisor and remainder. Which one is bigger number here? 135. Therefore this one is considered as a dividend. This one is divisor. 90 ones are 90, 90 twos is 180. Therefore, comparing to 180 and 135, 135 smaller number, 90 ones are 90. 5 minus 0 is 5, 13 minus 9 is 4, 45 is the remainder. Again we got the number 45. Next, here 90 is considered as a dividend and 45 is divisor. 45 twos are 90, you got the remainder is 0. Again these two can be written in the form of using Euclid division lemma. Here 135 is dividend, 90 is divisor, 1 is quotient plus remainder is 45. Similarly, we have to write next one. 90 is dividend, 45 is divisor into 2 is quotient plus remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of 135 and 225 is 45 because here 45 is divisor. This one you consider as a HCF of these two numbers. Next, I will go to second question. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. Here we apply the Euclid division lemma. By Euclid division lemma, a equal to b cube plus r. One condition is there, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Here r is always greater than or equal to 0 but less than b. Comparing Euclid division lemma to given question, here in b place 6 is there, therefore we have to consider if b equal to 6, then Euclid division, substitute b equal to 6 in Euclid division lemma. A equal to, in b place you have to substitute 6 q plus r. Here 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. Here r varies from 0 to 5. Less than 6 means we consider r can be 0, r1, r2, r3, r4, r5. Next, a can be written in the form 6q plus r. In this place we have to substitute 0. Next, again r equal to 1, 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. Here you see this one, 6q is a even number. Why this one is even number means even number can multiplied by any number, you got the even number. But here see this one, 6q plus 1, 6q is even number but plus 1 is odd number. Even number can be added to odd number, you got the answer is odd number. Therefore, odd integers are 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Okay, next I will go to third question. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Here columns means columns looking like this. Next, rows is this type. We consider here, see the question here, find which one is, what is the maximum number of columns. Maximum number means is nothing but you have to find out the HCF of 616 and 32. Okay, next HCF of 616 and 32 is, will give the maximum number of columns in which they march. By Euclid division lemma, here 6 is greater as compared to 32. Again you use the Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma is a equal to bq plus r. According to this one, 616 is a dividend and 32 is divisor. 32 ones are 32. 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next we take 6, 296. 32 nines are 288. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. Here remainder is 8. This one is not a 0. Next, we consider 8 as a divisor and 32 is dividend. 8 4s are 32. We got the remainder is 0. Next, we write using Euclid division lemma. Dividend is 616 equal to divisor is 32. Quotient is 19 plus remainder is 8. Again we write similarly this one, 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Therefore, HCF of these two numbers is 8. Therefore, maximum number of columns are 8. Next, I will go to fourth question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Let a be any positive integer. Comparing to Euclid division lemma, here in this b place 3 is there, therefore you have to take and b equal to 3. By Euclid division lemma, a equal to bq plus r, condition is 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Next, a equal to, in this place b you have to substitute 3q plus r, therefore 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. All possible values of r are 0, 1, 2. When first you consider r equal to 0, when r equal to 0, substitute in Euclid division lemma, a equal to 3q plus 0, a equal to 3q. In this question, the square of any positive integer. Next you square this one, squaring on both sides. A square equal to 3q square, a square equal to 3q square can be written in form 3q into 3q. A square equal to 3 into 3 9, q into q square. But this one can be, you have to solve this one in 3m form or 3m plus 1 form. Keep it 3 as it is, 3 3s are 9, this one q square as it is, 3 as it is. In this 3q square is considered as a m. Here m equal to 3q square, where m is some integer. This is of the form 3m. When r equal to 1, substitute in Euclid division lemma, a equal to 3q plus 1. Already given question, you have to squaring both sides this one, a square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Next step, a square equal to, this is of the form a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Split this one using this formula. 3q square plus 1 square plus 2 into a is 3q, b is 1, a square equal to 3 3s are 9, q square plus 1 square is 1, 2 3s are 6, q. A square equal to 9q square, this can be written in here 6q plus 1. In these two you have to take 3 is common. 3 take it common, 3q square plus 3 2s are 6q plus 1. A square equal to, whole term is considered as a m, 3m plus 1. This is of the form 3m plus 1, since m equal to 3q square plus 2q, where m is some integer. Again we consider when r equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus 2 using Euclid division lemma. Squaring on both sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again we use the same formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is 3q square plus b is 2 square plus 2 into a is 3q, b is 2. 3 3s are 9, q square, 2 square is 4 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, q as it is. Next 9q square, here 12q plus 4. In these two terms you take a 3 as common. Why you take 3 as common? Because already given question is there. This can be reduced in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Therefore you have to take 3 is common. 3 3s are 9q square plus 3 4s are 12q plus 4 can be written in the form 3 plus 1. Again in these two terms you have to take 3 common. Remaining terms are 3q square plus 4q. 3 is common means plus 1. This plus 1 keep it as it is. Again this whole term is considered as a m, 3m plus 1, since m equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1, where m is some integer. Hence the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Here m is some integer. Next, you see the fifth question. Fifth question is similar to fourth one. You try to solve this one.